Vibes, magandang umaga. So, punta po tayo ngayon sa Gate 51. Ayan, Gate 51. So, marami yung na po nakapila. Susubukan natin. First time ang air China. Titingnan natin kung gaano kaganda yung air China. Ay, gandahan mga ka-vibes. Doon tayo naka-set up sa gate. So, pagbukas ng gate, hindi na tayo nakaupo. Dire-diretso na. Yeah. So, yan po sa taga natin. That's the Air China. Okay. So, hopefully, yung ating upuan, normally, ano na yun, standard naman yung sizes ng upuan. So, titignan natin. Sana maluwang at saka comfortable yung at siyempre titignan natin yung pagkain, kung talagang masarap yung pagkain, ha? Tapakan nyo, vibes. Sabi na, papasok tayo sa please pahinga kasi mahaba pa tayong alas 4. So at least makaupo na tayo. Morning. So ayan, papasok na tayo sa ating yes.
This way. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Normal naman na upuan. Ang business class to. So, ayan. So, alright.
May I have a number?
Okay, sorry.
Okay, what's your number? Okay, thank you. Can you go right here?
Okay, don't worry, I will put it in. No worries, no worries.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay.
Normal, normal.
Hindi nang imo ano.
Okay. So, meron pa silang bidding na bigay. So, meron silang komot. Or, at saka may unan. So, okay. Okay, nakaka-vibes. So, space-wise, okay naman siya. Yeah, as normal. Yeah. Tapos yung ano niya, yung screen niya, malaki. Kaso lang, may kwentuhan nila, chingo. So, how's the space, baby? It's okay? Yeah?
Oh yes, okay.
Good. Alright, so sleeping mode na. Kasi 11 hours pa yung flight namin. So, malamang tingnan natin kung ilang beses silang magsiserve ng pagkain. Okay, abangan nyo mga kabayan. Yeah, but so far, space-wise is okay. Yeah, Air China. Good. So, first dinner. So, dalawa yung menu choices nila. Meron lang beef with rice, tapos may fish with rice. So, pinili natin yung fish. So, yung dalawa,
It's a good practice
pinili
to
na
have in less space.
beef with rice. So, balik tayo kanina sa gaano ka comfortable kasi yung flight natin is A350. So yung 350 plus 900 halos pare-parehan pa kalaki kahit anong airlines. So tingnan na, tikman natin ito yung fish and rice. Tapos parang potato yata to eh. Ayan. Tapos meron silang dessert. Tapos meron tayong tinapay. At may kape na. Amen? That's the beef, yeah? Okay. So, ano daw? Namin ko no ang ilang beef. Okay, ito yun. That's it. Let's try sa ating fish. Okay.
打扰了，小心哦。谢谢。当心。
Ano kaya isda to? Yung setup ng isda nila parang siyang sweet and sour. It's good.
小心一点点，小心，谢谢。
That's good. Okay, nag-serve natin yan. Okay. So, ayan. Masarap yung fish and rice. So, yung isda nila mga kababs, para nilagyan nila ng mushroom. Mushroom, tapos tapos ano pa itong iba? May patatas. Ito yung setup nila ng rice. Marami na rice. So sa akin tamang-tama lang yung setup ng rice at saka yung isda. Yung nakain pala natin ito vibes, hindi pala beef yung mushroom dun. Kaya parang kala mo ano siya, luncheon meat. Tuloy. Tikman natin yung ano nila, yung salad. Yan. Potato to eh. Nakagawa na rin tayo ng ganito. Yung potato salad na yan. Na may mayonnaise. Tsaka siyempre may onion. Meron silang green. Parang yan. The best daw. So far, so good. Okay. So kompleto yung setup nila ng utensils. Good nga lang siya. So may tinidor, may knife, tsaka syempre may spoon. Pero okay na sa atin yung tinidor. Tapos may isang tissue. That's good. So, let's eat sa kanilang tinapay. Ayan. Kasi may tinapay. Okay. cheese. Tapos may crunchiness siya na feeling. That's very good. Very nice so far. So, ayan, mga vibes. Tapos na po yung first meal natin sa Air China. Tapos meron pa lang isang ganito. Kala ko issue lang. Meron pa lang binigay na ganito. With white siya. Na pagkatapos mo kumain. Don't try mo muna. Yeah, with white. That's very good. That's it. Next meal is going to serve. Yeah. So it's a chicken congee.
Enjoy.
So again, we got two choices. I think this is already the breakfast. So I think chicken congee or the sausages, chicken and sausages. So we got that. Three of us. I think that's the sausages.
Could have got different.
Because it's the best.
What's the other option again?
Chicken, something.
Alright. So it's breakfast. So we got the omelette, sausages, and some potato. But we got some strawberry. So we got some fruits and some jam and thing. And the croissant. Good. Let's see. Second meal. Yeah. Let's try the omelette first. mga kabibes. Ayan, ito yung toilet pala nila. So, maliit lang. Pero, yun. Automatic na kami. Ayan. So, ayan. That's the lavatory. So, no smoking in the lavatory. Hindi ko. Alright, so mga ka-vibes, we got like 1 hour maglalanding na tayo. 1 hour and 26 minutes. So galing tayo dito. London Gatwick. So yung mga dinaanan natin, dumaan tayo sa Amsterdam, Berlin, tapos balik sa Brega, Helsinki. Tapos dumaan tayo sa Moscow din pala. Sa Ulaanbaatar. Sa Shanghai. So ayan mga kabais, magandang ano kasi yung mga kasabay namin parang mga estudyante lahat, mga bata. So hindi siya yung impression ko si dati magulo ang China magulo, pero hindi, maganda. Ito pa lang ay papuntang Shanghai. So tignan natin yung from Shanghai to Singapore. Okay. Alright, so mga ka-vibes, dito tayo sa Shanghai. Shanghai. So, transfer going to Singapore. Maluwag naman siya. Lalaki ng white rabbit dito sa Shanghai.
May traffic namin na.
Duty free. Maluwang po dito. Yeah. So yun. Kanton. Gusto nyo magka-kanton. Ayan, kanton. As always. Kanton. Yeah, let's check. Wow. Bye. Yeah, so halos pare-pareho yung dito. Ang laki. Look. Oh, wow. So yung nakita natin kaninang pula, nag-sunrise na talaga siya. 61 baby, yeah?
61. I think that flight's delayed to 11:30.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Ang lawak mo. Is it the one that we went last time?
No, that's in Hong Kong.
Oh, that's in Hong Kong. Still, yeah. Hong Kong airport is the same. This look the same. The design, yeah? Ayan, so ganda ng airport dito sa Shanghai Airport. Ayan. Malaki. So ganyan kalaki yung sasakyan natin kanina. Ayan. Flight natin. So Singapore po tayo.
How did you buy it?
Ayan.
Did you connect with somebody to buy it?
Pero ang nangyari pala, umikot-ikot tayo kasi hindi tayo nakalanding dagat kasi delayed yung flight eh. Delayed tayo ng isang oras.
全体机组成员再次感谢您选乘星空联盟成员中国国际航空公司的航班，期待与您再次相会，再见。Dear all passengers, we have just landed Singapore Changi International Airport. Opening the overhead compartments as items inside may fall out. Kindly take all your belongings with you when you leave the aircraft. It's been a pleasure to serve you. We hope to see you again soon. Have a nice day. Goodbye.